Yeah, he's okay, big boy. It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. Go see me. Go see me. He's a good boy. Yeah, now you have more room. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay, baby girl. It's okay. Oh, she loves people. Yeah, you love that head rub. Yes, you do. Oh, my goodness. Look how cute you are. Oh, you tired? Yeah, you're tired. Yeah, go see me. Yeah, go see me. Go see me. Go see me. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, you all go see me. This is Batman. Hey, look at my little face. Let me see. You can get a good picture of your face. There he is. There he is. He's tired. Oh, don't cry. Don't cry. I know you're tired. You gotta go nappy. Yeah, you want a belly rub? You want a head rub? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're tired. Get a little foot coming up to. You want a belly rub? You want a belly rub? Alright, go to sleep. It's Pandora having a dream. Alright, go to sleep, please. Look, you gotta go sleepy. You wanna cuddle? You wanna cuddle with Hershey? You cuddle with Hershey. And you cuddle with them too. Oh yeah, all cuddle together. Cuddle, cuddle, cuddle. Yeah, cuddle, cuddle. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's alright. He says, I'm a tired boy. He says, Mama, turn the light out. You want to go sleepies? Looking for a good spot. Find a good spot. I'll be walking soon. Alright, good night. It's alright, Jack Boy. Oh, come on now, go sleepy. It's alright. It's alright. I know you gotta go sleep. Right. You gotta go sleepies. Yeah, it's okay. He likes the corner. You're silly. They'll go to the corner. Alright, well, let's turn on the light.